0.1 the multiplication which I have done. So if you can do that, then it's okay. If you cannot do that, you leave it to me. I'll make the changes and I'll again send it back to you. Fine. Hello. So all of you could able to find out the sigma p. Ayush, did you try at your home finding out the sigma p? Sigma p, that is the portfolio of standard deviation.
Yes, sir, but it is wrong.
Why?
The formula, sir, because of the formula.
Formula is wrong. Right now, all of you. Right now, all of you
Sir,
find answer.
Sir, can you just write the formula in the board?
Can you see the formula right now? Hello. Afrin.
Yes, sir.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now you find it out, all of you, the standard deviation of the portfolio, and tell me whether the answer is matching with the answer which I have given you or not. Please do that. Santoshi, do that. Pratiksha, Arpita, roll number 24, all of you open up your videos, switch on your video. Arun. Calculate it, plug in all those figures. All these things are with you. What is W? What is WU? What is WU? What is the figure for WU? What is the number? Abhishek? Abhishek Swai?
Yes, sir.
What will be the WU? What will be WU? I'm asking you, Abhishek. No. Hansraj, what will be WU?
The weight of stock is.
Very good. What is that weight? How much is the weight?
Sir, 50.
50 what?
50%.
50%. Very good. 50%. 50% means कितना हो जाएगा?
0.5.
0.5. So 0.5 is the weight. A standard deviation of U or the variance of U. What is the variance of U? Hello?
0.1.
0.1. Variance of U is 0.1. Okay. WU. Variance of U is 0.1. Hello? सर ठीक से बोलो यार, आप ऐसे बोलोगे तो कैसे होगा? कहीं पे निशाना, कहीं पे निगाह है. The way you are saying, कहीं पे निगाह है, कहीं पे निशाना. तो सुबह सुबह आप ऐसे बोलोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? So somebody will think of that you have not woken up properly. You are still sleeping. Huh? How much it will be then? 0.5 square into 0.45 square plus what will be the WL?
Sir, it's 0.1 only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's 0.1, sir.
0.1.
Yes, sir. 0.1, sir.
Sir, sigma else is 0.45.
Just a minute. Sigma WU ना WU sigma U हो गया yes 0.1 sigma square U 0.01 yes hello 0.1 square ठीक है 0.1 प्लस WL कितना होगा WL कितना होगा
50%. 0.5.
0.5 good 0.5 WL sorry sigma L
0.45.
square plus 2 W 0.5 into 0.5 into covariance already have found out or Govind what is the covariance UL
So still working on it. I am unable to find.
last time we have found out covariance WL
Yes, sir.
UL covariance UL how much
Minus 4.5%. Minus 4.5%.
minus 4.5% that means minus 0.45 yes
0.45.
ah
Sir, 0.045.
0.045
Yes, sir.
Point 0.045 yes minus 0.045 yes minus 0.045 तो उसका क्या होगा अभी can you see till the last all of you hello
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
फिर वही same disease you are inflicted by the same disease most of you have already switched off your videos आप लोग नहीं हो यार you are not quality people let me tell you you are not quality people so don't make yourself so substandard
Sir, that is 0.5 whole square.
0.45 no only covariance that is covariance
No, sir.
The weight of L.
ah
The weight of L will be 0.5 whole square.
oh this
Yes, sir.
this one, yes ठीक है all of you चिराग हुआ सबका अभी हिसाब करो बताओ कितना होगा बताओ हेलो Did you get the right answer, Pavani?
So I got 27.5%.
27.5%.
Yes, sir.
क्या रे अब्नालिल?
सर
हाँ
सर फाइनल आंसर तो 17.5 आना चाहिए.
तो पवानी क्या बोल रही है 27.5 क्या पवानी तुमने क्या किया 0.5 स्क्वायर इंटू 0.45 स्क्वायर करेक्ट
Sir, आगे sir.
लो
Sir, got it, sir.
कितना आया
Sir, 17.5%.
who is saying
Sir, people.
Bipul okay Bhavani?
16.77% आया।
अरे भाई मैथमेटिक्स है यार, ये कोई और कुछ चीज नहीं है कि you will get so many answers from a same kind of questions. You are making some kind of mistakes while inputting the numbers. That is why you are getting different answers. Do you get my point? So please be careful while inputting the numbers in the calculator. Bhavani, did you get it right?
I'm trying, sir.
Try. You cannot take so much of time for such a calculation. It is horrible. It will be a criminal offense. Let me tell you, if you take so much of time to calculate, it will be a criminal offense. क्या अफसाना, क्या हिसाब किताब इतना कर रही हो? What you are doing? You are taking.
नहीं सर, मैंने कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कर दिया, so I'm doing it again.
Yes, sir, I got the answer, sir.
How much?
Sir, 17.5.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you could able to know where you did a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Great, good. Kritisri, got the answer? My goodness. If you do this kind of calculation mistakes, then how will you do in the final examination? Barsa, Faijan,
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
क्या यार, 1 मिनट लेके तो आप पूरा 1 घंटा ले रहे हो। थोड़ा जल्दी करो, इसका आंसर इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हो? Vishwajit,
Yes sir.
got the answer?
Yes sir, वो एक गलती हो गया था, वैल्यू एक चेंज हुआ।
Right now, are you getting the answer?
Yes sir, got the answer, sir.
Pratik? Hey Pratik, did you get the answer? Pratik Modi, I'm asking you a question. Did you get the answer of this equation?
Yes, sir.
How much?
No, sir. Sir, I'm doing.
First you are saying yes, sir. Then you are saying no, sir. Then you are saying doing. Then do it. Are you doing something or not? You are just sitting idle. Pratik, you don't understand anything.
No, sir.
Huh?
No.
You don't understand anything. Tell me, why are you worried? If you don't understand, then tell me I don't understand.
Sir, I don't understand, sir.
You don't understand. Okay, good. Chalo, ये भी तो अच्छा है. At least I must know that you don't understand anything since the beginning of the course.
No, sir. This equation.
No, only this equation you don't understand, or previously whatever we have studied you don't understand.
Sir, only this equation.
Equation. What is the problem in understanding this equation? This equation is nothing but the equation which has been used to find out the standard deviation of a portfolio. Fine. In order to find out the standard deviation of the portfolio, what are the things have been used? One is used is W. This why we say that this is weight. So Because how much you are investing here? If I say you have one asset U, another asset L, and you are investing how much total in this portfolio, Pratik? How much you are
One-
doing? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. If I invest here, if I invest kitna? How much I am investing?
Sir, in you.
What did I write? How much did I invest?
50.
Huh?
50,000.
Very good. 50,000. How much I invest here?
50,000.
50,000. So what is the investment? What is the ratio of investment?
1:1.
Very good. 1:1. So if it is 1:1, so total is my 2. Total is 1 lakh. I am investing here, it is 50,000. So what is the weight or what is the proportion of the total investment which has been invested in you?
So proportion is 50,000 by 1 lakh.
50,000 by 1 lakh. So what is the proportion?
1:2.
1:2. 1:2 means proportion के हिसाब से कितना होगा?
2:1.
We are saying 1:2. So 1:2 means in proportion wise how much it will be? For every 2 rupees you are investing 1 rupee in one asset. So what is the
Yes.
proportion then? What is the weight? If I ask you what is the weight and what is the proportion, how much will you say?
For every 2 rupees we are investing 1 rupee.
Proportion कितना आएगा? 1/2. 1/2 is how much?
0.5.
अब बस 0.5 वही तो मैं लिखा हूँ यार 0.5. So WU or weight is WU square 0.5 square plus standard deviation of U already you have found out by utilizing by using that equation standard deviation of U 0.1 square plus second asset 0.5 again L by 50,000. 50,000 means again 1/2 that is 0.5 square again standard U. Standard L, standard deviation of the variance for 0.45 square, then plus 2 into WL, that is 0.5 into 0.5 into covariance, which we have already. Have we not found out the covariance last time?
Sir, I don't remember, sir.
No, I am asking others. Have we not found out the covariance of these two assets last time?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, and that
Yes, sir.
answer is still with you. That is covariance of UL. Covariance of UL is simply minus 0.045. 0.045. Plug in all these answers, plug in all these figures, and take the root over and make the calculation correctly, so that you will get the correct answer. Are you getting my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So all of you got the answer correctly. Ansita, Akash, Afreen, Chirag, Hargobind,
Yes, sir.
Akarsan, Animesh, Abhishek, Chaitanya, Dibesh. हाँ
सर आप नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा बड़ा लिख सकते हो, दिख नहीं रहा आप क्या लिखे हैं बोर्ड में.
तुमको दिख नहीं रहा है किसी को? Are you not able to see what I have written here?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है देखने में.
बड़ा
थोड़ा
चाहिए.
बड़ा करके लिख सकते हैं.
को बड़ा चाहिए. बोलो कौन है? कुलजीत.
सर मैं
मीन्स कौन?
मेरे को दिख रहा है.
अरे सर प्रतीक.
प्रतीक. ओहो प्रतीक, तुमको बड़ा लिखना चाहिए. अच्छा ठीक है. इतने लिखने से दिख नहीं रहा है तुम लोगों को. आई एम सरप्राइज्ड.
अरे सर सच में नहीं दिख रहा है.
Is it like you are not able to see? Abhishek Swai, can't you see what is written? Hello.
Sir, it's visible, sir.
Visible ना? ठीक है प्रतीक. I will try to write if I go on writing bigger letter, you may not able to see the entire equation on the board. I'll cross the board and I'll go again the right side of the board to the white area. Okay. Pratik, can you see what I have written here?
COVUL. COVUL.
COV का मतलब क्या है?
सर नहीं पता सर.
नहीं पता, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. कौन बता सकता है COV को मैंने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे?
Covariance.
Covariance of UL.
Covariance.
The value of the covariance whichever we found out is how much?
minus 0.045.
0.045. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the value of the covariance of UL. But remember, covariance is an imprecise unit. Write as phrase what I am saying you. Imprecise unit. Imprecise unit. Covariance is nothing but imprecise unit. So that means with the help of covariance, we cannot able to make understand the relationship between these two assets. The covariance will say the movement. It will say the movement in which direction you are moving, in which direction these two variables are moving. But how closely they are moving, how closely and how closer they are to each other, that has to be found out by another variable that is known as what? What is that? Hello?
Correlation coefficient.
Correlation coefficient. This correlation coefficient is known as rho UL. This is another Greek letter that is rho UL. Rho. RHO, rho UL. Okay. So this covariance is equal to COVUL is equal to rho UL sigma U sigma L. Or rho UL will be what? Covariance upon sigma U sigma L. You must be looking at this one. Okay. So now can you find out the correlation coefficient of U and L? Correlation coefficient UL. Can you find out from this value whichever you have? All the figures you are having with you, all these numbers you are having with you, give me the correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient tells us about the strength of the relationship, the closeness of these two variables, or closeness of these two assets. Correlation coefficient will tell us the closeness of this asset. Covariance is telling the direction or the movement, the co-movement. It is saying us about the co-movement, and correlation coefficient will say us how closely they are related to each other. How closely. You may say that two persons which are studying in the same batch, you may move in same direction, but the person who is very closer to you, he is moving very close to you. Or who is near and dear, who is very dear to you as a friend, he is moving very close to you. Okay. So if I say direction, this is the direction, this may be the direction, or this may be the direction or this may be the direction. So this is what then? In which direction they are moving? In which direction they are moving here?
What?
Same direction. In which direction they are moving here?
Same.
Same.
Same direction. Okay. So that means here covariance will be positive or negative.
So positive.
Hello. Here covariance is positive or negative.
Positive, sir.
Positive, sir.
Here covariance is positive or negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Here covariance is
Negative.
Negative.
because direction of movement is what?
Opposite.
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 So now correlation coefficient, another variable will tell us how closely these two variables are related or how closely these two assets are moving with each other. Now you find out the correlation coefficient, tell me how much is
Sir.
the
Sir,
Sir,
is it 1?
no.
What?
From
So
the
minus 0.1.
from the figure which I have given you from this,
Yes, sir, it is 1.
it is coming 1.
Sir, minus 0.5, sir.
0. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Correlation coefficient will be what then? Correlation coefficient will be what? If I use this equation, is equal to covariance integral divided by sigma u sigma L. Covariance integral का value कितना है?
Minus 0.045.
0.045. What is sigma u?
0.1.
0.45 into
No,
0.1.
Sir, 0.1.
No.
Yes.
Now you find out then what will be the correlation coefficient
So -1.
-1.
is equal to
-1.
-1. Hello, are you getting this answer?
Yes, sir.
If you are getting this answer, what does it mean then? What is the meaning of this? That means they are perfectly negatively correlated. They are perfectly negatively correlated. Right there. If the correlation coefficient is, then the correlation coefficient will always move between what and what? The correlation coefficient will be move in between -1. If I say less than 1. The correlation coefficient will always move in between which value to which value?
-1 to 1.
-1 to +1. -1 means they are perfectly negatively correlated. +1 means they are perfectly positively correlated. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if I draw in the graph how the perfectly negatively correlated or positively correlated figure will be drawn, can you tell me? If this is U, this is L. Two variables are there, two assets are there. I want to put the correlation here in a graph. How the graph will be looking like? Can anybody tell me if it is perfectly positively correlated?
It will be a straight line from 0
It will be a
Up-
straight line
upwards.
to Yes, yes.
It will be upward sloping.
Yes, very good. Who is saying this one?
Vaishali, sir.
Yes, it is an upward sloping curve. And this is perfectly linear. This is a linear relationship. Perfectly linear relationship. The relationship is completely linear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is nothing but perfectly positively correlated. Two assets are perfectly positively correlated. One is going up, another is going up. One is going up, one is going up, another is going up. Do you understand my point, everybody? Abranil,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है तो?
हाँ, sir.
हाँ?
हाँ, sir. हाँ, sir.
So if I say perfectly negatively correlated, how it will be looking like? How it will be looking?
It will start from
Downward sloping.
Like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means
Yes,
one is going up, one is going up, another is going
Down.
down. It is going this side, now it is coming down. Going up, going down, going up, going down. Likewise, I am drawing a curve which is going downward. Hello? People,
Yes, sir.
do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I draw, this is nothing but how a graph is drawn. This point are coming, and I am joining this point to draw a graph. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, now suppose I draw the relationship between these two U and L. Suppose this is something like this. What is the relationship? Do you find any relationship between them?
No relation.
No relation. So here rho will be what? The correlation coefficient will be what then?
0.
0.
Correlation coefficient will be 0. There is no relationship between them. So there is no pattern of movement between these two assets, return of these two assets. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So correlation, suppose if I say correlation coefficient is plus 0.8. I tell you, correlation coefficient will always be in between 1 to 1, minus 1 to plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I say the two assets having correlation coefficient is 0.8, that means what? Will you go for these assets or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the correlation coefficient is 0.8, you will definitely go ahead with this asset. Or you will create a portfolio of this U and L. Hello? Hello? क्या होगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So that means both of will be moving in the same direction. Both these assets will be moving in the same direction. If both these assets are moving in the same direction, will it be helpful for us in creating a portfolio?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because if one
No,
gets
sir.
to
It's
loss, then the
conjecture.
other will also get.
Others are will also having a negative return. So essentially the correlation coefficient should be what then? In order
-1.
to have a better
Minus negative.
negative. Okay, that means one is going down means another also will go up. Okay, are you getting my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you found out how to find out, you got to know how to find out the correlation coefficient between these two assets. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Acha, can you do like this? Like suppose if I say you are in the same asset, same thing here, the same thing. The asset is same 1 lakh you are investing, but in you are investing 80%, in L you are investing 20%. Can you give me the standard deviation of the portfolio? Can you tell me the standard deviation of the portfolio and the correlation coefficient? ये थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. I am changing the equation, everything I am changing here. Can anybody tell me very quickly what will be the standard deviation of the portfolio and the you can say correlation coefficient? You have to find out the covariance also. You have to find out the covariance.
So the sum will be 1 lakh only.
Same, 80% and 20% is हो जाएगा. The covariance will be remaining same. There will be no problem in covariance. कैलकुलेट करो, मुझे बताओ।
Sir, is the standard deviation 34%?
ठीक है, हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लाइक इज नॉट कुछ भी 34% if you are getting no issues. I have not calculated it. I have randomly given you to calculate and tell me what is the standard deviation of the portfolio, and accordingly the आ रहा है, सबको आ रहा है, तो कैसे कैलकुलेशन होगा? I'll give you some practice questions to you, and you will solve it and you will give it to me within a couple of days. You take 3-4 days and solve it and give it to me. I'll give you some practice set today. ठीक है? ठीक है, आप उसको करो, बाद में उसको करोगे तो नेक्स्ट हम चलेंगे नेक्स्ट थिंग को। आप उसको कंप्लीट करोगे। I ask all of you to complete this one. We'll go to the next risk and return, then risk and return का next इनको जाएंगे। तो अभी स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन हम निकाले। स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन इज व्हाट देन? स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन इज नथिंग बट द मेजरमेंट ऑफ what? What we measure through standard deviation?
Risk.
Risk. Very good. Risk.
Risk.
Yes, risk is measured through the standard deviation. So that means I'm coming here to another concept. Standard deviation is equal to risk. But here it is essential to decompose the risk again, or to make more analysis of this risk. There are so many types of risks are there, but here I am saying that these risks will be divided into two types essentially. Okay, same thing. Pratiksha, this Abhishek, Debolina, or Abhishek Swai, Mrinal, Alisa, Arpita, everybody is switched off. Everybody बोल दिया तो immediately आपने switch on कर दिया। हो क्या रहा है? Alisa, तुम्हारा हो क्या रहा है बोलो तो? Do you find any problem in switching on your video? Alisa?
Sir, my bandwidth is low.
Bandwidth is low.
Sir, I won't be able to see.
See, if everybody says that my bandwidth is low, then how we can proceed? At least
Sir,
ensure that your bandwidth should be strong enough to support your video.
so actually we are keeping on a video, after that it's coming blank. We are automatically disconnecting.
Then see, like again press the enter key or some other key so that your video will remain on. Are you getting my point? Pratiksha Subhadarshini,
Yes, sir.
where is your video?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir, please.
2 minutes. Huh? What 2 minutes? People are not good. People are not good. You have to obey the order. Obey this one instruction. Okay. We'll come to the risk again. The risk will again be dissected. We'll again dissect this risk. It will be some more kind of risk we'll come to know here. And this risk will be nothing but this sigma will be what? This sigma is like what? What did I write? Sigma is equal to my
Total risk.
Total risk.
total risk. Sigma is equal to my total risk. But this total risk will be again decomposed, or it will be divided into 2 times is equal to क्या लिखा मैंने?
Systematic and
Systematic risk plus unsystematic risk.
Systematic risk and unsystematic risk. ऐसा systematic का मतलब क्या आता है? What do you mean by systematic risk? Any idea about systematic?
Which
Yes.
occurs all the time.
Which occurs all the time. Very good. Very good. Any other idea about systematic?
it can be measured.
It cannot be measured.
It can be measured. Systematic.
It can be measured. Okay. Who is saying this one?
Hansraj.
Huh?
Hansraj.
Hansraj. Okay, Hansraj. Very good. Any other idea about systematic risk?
Systematic risks, sir, affects all the assets.
You have read the document, I think. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Who is saying this one?
Sir Prachi.
Prachi, yes.
Yesterday I was reading, sir.
Very good, very good. When you say that it affects all, give me an example which is happening in our day-to-day life to make me understand, to make others understand what you mean by systematic risk then. Can you give me a very day-to-day life example?
So stock market.
Huh?
The stock market.
Stock market. What do you mean by stock market here?
So the shares, like before the budget, the stock market rate was very it was always fluctuating, and after the budget was declared, then it once it was a boom.
It's
In
a,
one day, it was a boom.
it's a boom. Boom or dhoom?
So both.
Both. Very good. Very good. Boom and again dhoom means stock market went up. Yes or no? It skyrocketed. So then dhoom machalo dhoom. Again everybody went ahead and the market also went ahead. So the example which you cited right now, budget. Think of the budget. The example is budget. When you talk of budget, how budget is affecting? Is budget affecting everybody? Is budget affecting everybody of us?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So that means when a budget is presented, everybody is getting impacted in one way or the other. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So likewise, if the government of India, let us say that the government of India in the budget, very fortunately, the finance minister has not increased the taxation rate if the taxation rate had increased by the finance minister, what would have happened? Are we not going to be affected by that?
So we will be affected.
We will.
Are all of us not going to be affected by that? Hello.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
will.
sir, we will.
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean then? That means a decision is being taken. That decision is affecting everybody. That decision is affecting everybody. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everybody is getting affected by that decision. So if that is happening, it is what I mean to say that this is affecting each and everybody systematically. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Affecting
Yes, sir.
each and everybody systematically. Correct? So nobody is getting sidelined, or nobody is getting like there is no exception to not impacted. Everybody will be impacted. If I say that now the class is going on, suppose there is a problem in the link which has been sent to you. There is a problem. What will happen? Entire class will be suspended. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is getting impacted.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that means it is impacting everybody systematically.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What kind of risk it will be called as then?
Systematic.
Systematic risk.
Systematic risk.
Systematic risk. So that means something is happening due to that. Everybody more or less is getting impacted or affected. So those kind of risk will be called as which kind of risk?
Systematic.
Systematic. Suppose right now, likewise, Pratiksha Subhadarshini told that I am having a problem of my bandwidth. Is this a problem of everybody, or is it a problem related to her only?
Related to her only.
Related to her only.
Yes.
And we can take care of that also, or she can take care of that. The class is not getting affected systematically or in a whole. Yes?
Yes.
So that means some decision which is being taken, which is affecting only one person, those kind of risk will be called as which kind of risk?
Unsystematic.
Unsystematic risk.
Again, I'm coming back to the same example inside a class. Suppose all of us are inside a class. Let us say that all of us are sitting inside a physical class, not in a virtual class. All of you have come here into the campus. The faculty is taking the class. There is a noise outside which is going on, and the noise is coming from a place which is beyond the boundary of the university. Which kind of, and the entire process of teaching is getting impacted. Which kind of risk it is?
Systematic risk.
Absolutely fantastic. Now inside a class, only one student is creating a problem and the faculty has asked him to go out. He is creating a problem means everybody is getting affected. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But can that be checked or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That can be checked by putting him or by shutting him down or by asking him to go out of the class. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the risk which can be managed by us or which can be handled by us is known as which kind of risk then?
Unsystematic.
Unsystematic.
Unsystematic risk. But the risk which is affecting everybody systematically, that is known as which kind of risk?
Systematic.
Systematic.
So that means out of these two risks, which can be managed,
Unsystematic.
Unsystematic risk.
which cannot be managed is what?
Systematic.
risk.
Systematic.
Then which kind of risk we will be more interested to deal with?
Unsystematic.
Unsystematic.
Unsystematic risk.
Unsystematic.
तरीके यहीं पे तो गड़बड़ कर दिया.
Systematic.
Think and tell. ऐसे नहीं कि like मेल और फीमेल कोई तो नहीं आया तो हम बीच वाला बोल दिए. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. Think and tell. The risk which can be managed is unsystematic. The risk which cannot be managed is systematic. Then which kind of risk will be more concerned with?
Systematic.
Systematic.
Because
It cannot be
manage it.
managed
it
easily.
cannot be managed.
Yes,
It cannot be taken care of. So something which can be taken care of, I don't have any problem. The way I gave you the example, one student is creating a problem inside the class. I can take him out of the class can be managed well, correct?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
But the noise which is coming from outside, which is beyond my control, cannot be managed. So I am more concerned about that one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
जो चीज मैं कर सकता हूँ, why should I be more concerned about that? जो चीज which is not beyond, which is beyond my control, I'll take care of that only right now. Yes.
Yes,
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 How
sir.
to- now I think of how to minimize those kind of noises which is coming out of the coming out. How that can be managed or how that can be minimized. So next class we will see how to take care of the systematic risk. I ask all of you to read the document which I have forwarded to you, and take care of that formula which was wrongly put by me. Read that again, systematic and unsystematic risk. Read that and give me. You can go through the document where some of the examples have been also cited to make you understand what are these two kind of risk. And next class we'll see something more about it. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll be sending you some problem today to be solved by you, and you will send me after solving it. Are you finding any problem in again submitting the assignment in your in this drive, or have you started submitting?
So which assignment?
The first one. Hello.
Sir, you have not given us that assignment.
अरे बाबा, जो फास्ट असाइनमेंट मैंने दिया था ना, जो बुक का.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Part 2 section है.
हाँ?
हम लोग को नहीं दिए थे
आप लोगों को नहीं दिया था?
नहीं
No,
कुछ
sir,
ऐसे
only
बहुत-
B section.
अभी तो सब बोलोगे, कोई नहीं, मैंने नहीं दिया था. सब all kinds of you can say allegations you can put on the faculty. Faculty तो नहीं दिया था, हम क्या करेंगे? अच्छा, faculty नहीं दिया था, that doesn't mean that you will not solve the after the lesson questions which are there in the book. All of you have got the book right now, Aman?
Yes, sir.
From the book, the time value of money, last all these problems which have been given, solve it and submit it in the form of assignments. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, all of you got it? All of you understood what I told?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One,
Present, sir.
two,
Present, sir.
three, four,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7,
Yes, sir.
6. Is 6 present?
Yes, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12, 13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
Be attentive. 22, 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
20, 23, 23, 23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26, 26, 27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
I'm present, sir.
29,
I'm present, sir.
29, 30, 30, 30, 31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33, 33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36, 36, 37,
Present, sir.
38, 30,
Present, sir.
36 तो नहीं है, 37, 37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
44, 43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46, 46, 47,
Present.